Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shrija here. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you a homemade cake recipe, and this was made by me and one of my friends. She helped me make this cake. So let's go. You will need 2.5 cups of milk, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder and coffee powder. Then you will need vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, and just 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. First of all, we are going to mix all our dry ingredients, and we are going to use a sieve so big particles don't come to in our batter of cake. So first of all, let's mix all our dry ingredients. All our wet ingredients, so vinegar, olive oil, milk and vanilla essence. Guys, I forgot to add the vanilla essence, but you don't forget to add it. Mix the batter till no lumps are left. We are going to grease our baking pan with some olive oil. You can also use butter or any other oil. To put it in the oven, so you need to preheat the oven for 170 degrees, and we are going to put it in the oven at 120 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. So our cake is ready and it looks really yummy. You can use whipped cream to decorate it. You can use sprinkles and chocolates, but I just made it simple.